very important directive because recent studies have shown that there is a huge increase in the incidence of non-communicable diseases. Children as young as 10 years old are developing blood pressure, diabetes, and this is due to their unhealthy diet. A diet which is very rich in, high levels of salt and sugar. And bachon mein the intake should be just 5% of the calorie intake, but it's as high as 15% or even more. The thing is, the parents are not aware, the children are not aware or educated about it. So it's so important कि जो CBSE ने ये डायरेक्टिव निकाला है और हमने एक अर्लियर एक ऐसा किया था स्टडी जिसमें हमने देखा था कि कितने स्कूल्स इसको फॉलो कर रहे हैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन दिल्ली.
शाम स्टील फ्लेक्सी स्ट्रॉन्ग TMT बार, ये स्ट्रॉन्ग के साथ फ्लेक्सिबल भी है.
आपदा मुसीबत कोई भी आए, ये घर को अटूट बनाए.
जब TMT फ्लेक्सी स्ट्रॉन्ग
तो घर रहे हमेशा के लिए स्ट्रॉन्ग.
एंड इट वाज रियली डिसमल कि कई स्कूल्स फॉलो नहीं करते, जैसे कि जो बच्चों को स्कूल में दिया जाता है, जो स्कूल्स के आसपास बेचा जाता है, वो हेल्दी होना चाहिए. बट चिल्ड्रन शुड बी अवेयर अबाउट अ बैलेंस्ड डाइट. दे शुड बी अवेयर अबाउट एंड इजीली एक्सेसिबल चीजें भी मिलनी चाहिए. सपोज यू आर इवन अवेयर बट यू ओनली गेट कैंडीज एंड सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स इन स्कूल. So the children have no choice. So there should be many healthy choices available so that children can pick on that. And I think it's so important कि जब नर्सरी लेवल पे बच्चे जब आते हैं, पेरेंट्स को इसके बारे में what is a balanced diet, how they should be diet diversity, that the diet should include fresh fruit, vegetables, there should be healthy grains, there should be nuts and seeds. The intake जैसे हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने भी बताया कि 10% से कम होना चाहिए हमारा ऑयल इंटेक. हेल्दी फैट्स क्या हैं, ओमेगा 3 जैसे कि अलसी के बीज में, चिया सीड्स, वॉलनट्स में होते हैं. तो अगर ये अवेयरनेस होगी जभी तो हम लोग इसके बारे में वो हेल्दी चॉइसेस बन लेंगे. एंड ये नॉट ओनली इज इट गुड फॉर आवर फिजिकल हेल्थ बट ऑल्सो आवर मेंटल हेल्थ. एंड वी आर सीइंग देयर इज ऑल्सो ह्यूज इंक्रीज इन दी obesity. We are actually facing an epidemic of obesity and overweight, not only amongst the adults, but also amongst children. And this is directly correlated to our high intake of sugars, carbohydrates and fat. And also because we are leading largely a sedentary lifestyle. We've disturbed our sleep-wake cycle. We have poor sleep hygiene, just sitting in front of screens, and total physical inactivity coupled with an unhealthy diet, a diet which is so highly processed, very lacking in fruits and vegetables. So, this has all led to a high increase in the incidence of diabetes, type 2 diabetes in young children, blood pressure, and also increase in attention deficit hyperactivity disorders and high levels of stress and anxiety amongst children.
ये स्टाइल का मामला है. रूपा फ्रंटलाइन.
That has been conducted and he was a part of that study. That study has shown that maximum children were overweight or obese. So what exactly that study states?
No, actually in that study we just found whether the schools are actually following the guidelines which have been set up by the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, and which states that the children should be getting a healthy diet, and even in the canteens healthy food should be available, and they should be allowed only bakery items or maybe processed food once a week. So we found that very few schools are actually following that. So we wanted to educate the parents, educate the people. Students should be aware. For example, हम कई बार we have, like for example, we say we are having fresh juice, but it may not. Firstly, the juice has a very high concentration of sugar. Why not have fresh fruit instead, rather than just have a very huge increase in our sugar levels and then it drops and then we crave for more food. So we just found in that the schools, the compliance with the guidelines issued in 2020 by the FSSAI was poor, and so we wanted to raise the awareness that schools should comply with those guidelines, and there should be more because that would lead to healthier children. They will enjoy better physical and mental health. And that we also emphasize that children should be more physically active, have 1 hour of say exercise, also include yoga. We see many times we just blame ki they are not playing much, but it's mainly because of 80% role, 70 to 80% is due to an unhealthy diet, a diet which is so rich in these trans fats, salt, sugars. So we see that leads to Then there are so many food additives, colors, which are so unhealthy. They lead to allergies, and some may be toxic to the neurons also. So we see that because of this, we are finding a huge increase in, children having physical and mental health issues, obesity. Obesity is now considered a disease in itself, related to so many cancers, like I told you, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, stroke. And girls may polycystic ovarian syndrome, and later on even Alzheimer's disease. So it's so important that we educate the young children so that the burden of disease decreases once they are able to prevent the onset of diseases, and this will overall promote health. So that was the main aim.